Okay guys, let's go up the mountain. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. How about you, Mommy? You ready to go?
You betcha.
Turn it around and look at yourself.
You betcha.
You guys,
Hey!
we're going.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Going up the
Anton,
mountain.
what do you think? We're going up the mountain.
Look, Anton, look at the camera.
What do you think, Mattia?
This is so cool.
Oh, Toothless thinks it's cool too.
You want to pass it off?
Yeah. Look at this. Such a smooth ride.
I know. And it's so big too.
It is.
Huge.
Love it.
Look, Anton.
Just squeeze through.
I got him. I got my arm right around him.
Little bums.
Oh, we ride with Elliot.
You go down?
Yeah, I'm
Do you want some a hand? Oh, you don't want to ride together?
I guess it depends what trail you're doing. Yeah. I haven't done it. But I used to do it now.
Go with Daddy. A couple of different trails with mountain yoga. Awesome. Mile high. That's so cool. We made it. What do you think, Mattia? We're up at the top of the mountain.
Yeah, it looks a lot better of a view.
Yeah, right, it's close. Where's the cell
Tower. Let's just have a look here. Here's the bike hike map. I think it's closed, buddy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So unfortunately the mile one hut is closed for today, but that's okay. We brought some drinks and snacks with us to sit up and enjoy the view. Take this all in. Wow. Great. So we made it to the top. Woo! That was a hard hike, wasn't it?
We're just having some fun dip.
And we're having a break.
It's very fun to dip. Get it? Fun dip.
Is that a hard hike, guys?
No.
No, we just rode the chairlift up.
Eh.
Got to the top of the mountain.
Toothless is taking a little sun.
Daddy's having a little peek through the binoculars, seeing what he can see. So in the winter time, this is the second run then, going up. Can go even further up the mountain.
We're like very, very top.
Mm-hmm. Crazy.
And do some dancing.
Let's see some dancing. Oh yeah,
Potty
cool
dance?
dude.
How about the potty dance? Okay.
We're on our way back down the mountain.
tuba.
Oh, just
Whoa,
advertisement.
look at this view. Are you filming?
Whoa, yes.
Wow.
Coming down is a different feel for sure.
See, I told you it's a little bit faster.
What do you think, Anton? Do you like going down?
See, it's a little bit faster. Right?
Yeah. You got him, Jace?
I do.
Okay. Do you feel it's a little faster?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I could see
Look
it
at-
before too.
Yeah? That's beautiful.
Yeah.
All right. Go back down the mountain.
Hi.
You can look up.
That was
Pull
scary.
back down.
That's it.
Sadly.
Say hi.
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 Hello, bikes.
Hello, bikes. Here they go.
Why
All
do bikes get their own chair? Hello, bike.
I think because they pull people in the back with the,
Oh,
the
pedal.
pedal.
Wow, what a view up here.
Hello,
Love it.
people.
Hello, people. Look at that. Up, down, all day.
Oh, that'd be so fun.
Yeah.
Hello, bikes. Hello, bikes.
Well, its feet's going up.
Hello, bikes. Hello, bikes.
Hello, bikes.
Hello, bikies.
Hello, bikies.
Hello, Becky.
Hello, bikey bikes.
Hey,
Oh,
you
there's
two.
A few bikes.
Hey.
Hey, cool dude.
Hey, look at mommy.
Hello, family.
Hey, Anton.
I have to hold you.
Yeah.
Look
Anton,
at mommy.
are you cool dude? Can you say 3, 2, 1, let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
How about you, Matea? 3.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, bikes.
Hello, Becky.
Hey, Becky, Becky.
You can see the trail in there.
Becky, Becky, Becky.
Oh, a little spot of it there. What was that, Anton?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's go.
Hello, bikies.
Let's see if Toothless
Oh.
can do it.
Toothless has come everywhere.
He's doing a.
Oh, there's a bike.
That's like mine.
There's some right there.
Hello, Becky.
Hello, bikey.
Look at, there's a bike.
One bike, one boy.
2 bikes, 2 boys. Or 2 girls, maybe.
Yeah.
Lots of girls
Hello, Becky.
biking. I love it.
Hello, the Becky.
Two bikes.
Hello,
Hello,
Becky.
bikies. They're the same type of bike. Hello, ladies.
Hello, baby.
Sounds like they came down this way. It's cool. Very cool.
Hello, Becky.
Can you imagine going down that track over here,
We're like the only people
Like-
that go down.
jumping?
We're the only people that go down.
Yeah.
Everybody else.
Everybody else was on a bike, hey?
All the tourists are gone. Look at that.
hmm We stayed past the long weekend, so now everybody packed up and left. And it's the week people that stay,
How my time?
not week, that sounds funny, that they're week,
Oh,
that
baby.
are staying for a week.
Weekly.
Or the weekly people, sure.
Gotta make it plural.
Plural. Oh boy.
You hold my
And the
thumb.
bikers.
Look at.
The bikers are here still.
But if you like are coming for like 4 days like us, you can't stay for the weekend work.
When you pass
No,
out,
I mean-
people, you say, hello.
We get to stay extra past the long weekend, right?
Yeah.
That's how we planned it.
Whoa.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, when they come up, the next people that come up, you say, hello there. Okay? And then you give them a wave. There comes some. Okay? It'll be a few minutes. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, buddy.
You're funny,
It's so
Anton.
much fun. Look at the different colors of spruce and pine trees.
Cutie.
See
Cutie.
avalanche areas.
Mm-hmm.
We stopped at an avalanche area.
Did you? Okay. Here comes one.
Okay, you say hello,
Hello.
say hi, and wave.
Hi.
Cute.
Easy.
think you guys say a little louder, buddy.
Nice and loud.
Okay,
Hi,
go.
Wave.
Hi.
Good job, buddy.
It's kind of embarrassing.
I think
Oh,
they
it's cute.
even smile. What was it says, Stephen? Say, wake up. No, don't. He's on his phone.
Anton, do you suck your thumb even here? No, that's for nighttime.
We're gonna have to sanitize that thumb.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to sanitize my thumb. So I got a sliver.
Mm. Look at this trail. That looks like fun.
Fun. Jinx.
Mhm.
Mommy. You need to talk for YouTube. If you can't talk, then you can't YouTube.
Look, there's a deer.
There's a deer. That's the.
Do you guys see it?
You guys,
Oh,
guys,
deer.
we saw a deer on the way up, and now we're seeing a deer on the way
I
down.
wonder if it's the same one.
Deer pooped.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
I think it is pooping.
This is poopy.
I like this. It's so peaceful up here. Look at the pool. Matt, did you see the swimming pool
Yeah.
over there?
Oh, here's a close-up of the deer.
Oh, so
Is it
cute.
cool?
Oh, we're slowing down. Oh no.
What?
We're gonna stop and be stuck here.
No. Someone just needed a little bit of extra time. Look
We
at,
just had to slow it down a little bit.
do you see the deer, Anton? Do you see it? Say hi, deer.
I poop.
Hi, dear.
Hi, dear. I did poop.
No, he's eating.
Hi. We're going.
Nice doe.
I'm going.
Look at, there's the pool. Not busy at all.
Do you guys remember when we went to the pool? Comment down below if you were watching every single video.
We're going.
Soon.
Ooh, toothless, you are.
Hello.
Yeah, because we don't get to bring you anywhere. So you watch the videos instead?
Some parking up there.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's the trails. That's where you go for the valley hiking trails. And that's where we're gonna go maybe on our bike.
One up there, the warm pool, and the one down there.
Yeah.
Well,
I love the
Hi.
wave.
Hey.
He waves at us.
Yeah.
Say hi to these ones. Say hi and wave. Really loud. Say hi.
Look at the gopher
Oh, there's another one.
from down below.
Here we go.
Hey, bud, we're gonna have to get off.
No, I'm gonna
You
You want more?
Wash your arms, guys.
All right, we're gonna lift this
Look.
and just walk off like we did last time, okay? Just gonna walk off. Good job. Thank you. What did you think, Anton?
That
Did you
fun?
like that? Yeah? What did you think, Matea?
That was awesome. Can we go to the pool now?